Hey, are you coming to Climate Change Day this Saturday? It will be fun. It's important cause your island is about to sink ahead.
No, I can't make it. Exams coming up. No time for such things like that. You go and tell me your story next week. Okay.
What the hell? I'm from Australia. Don't you get it? I'm not from a low island like yours, and you telling me to care more climate change? What a shame. You should think about again. You need my help as a neighboring country. But if you people just don't care as well about this, I won't waste my time for such issues. You guys really need to think more about it. We, in Australia and other high countries, have a Youth Climate Change Association and other non-government parties conducting climate change campaigns in support for the Go Green actions. At uni, we meet every week apart from our studies, to talk about climate change issues. We post tons of flyers around at campus talking about climate change meetings and presentations. Amoda and I joined that Climate for Change Club catering for all seminars on campus. I guess only 5% of your Kiribati population care about what's going on with global warming. Why don't you just start from social networking sites telling your fellow citizens to work together and try as much as you can to help you out with it? My friend, Amoda, from Kiribati told me that most people in the outer islands have no idea what's so serious about climate change. Is that true?
I have no idea cause there is no specific research about such things back in the island. We only care about food and life. But I think I get your point. I've been such an idol. I guess I need to do something about it. I've been joined the Kiribati Climate Change Coalition site on Facebook, but I just looked at it, teasing the creator of that group. I saw the comment on that site that touched me so much. But I just ignore it. That quote said, and I quote, "If we don't change, we don't grow. If we don't grow, we aren't really living." Most of the problems in life are because of only two reasons. First, we act without thinking. Second, we keep on thinking without acting. End of quote. I really need to reconsider that thing. I wish my Kiribati fellow residents can do something from different corners of the world. Climate change should be seen as the greatest challenge to face man, and treated as a much bigger priority in Kiribati. Thank you, Mr. Domby. You look hot. Isn't that affect global warming as well? Hope not. I like your muscle.
Ahabaha. Thank you, Madam Murmurtong. You look so sexy today. Good luck with your people. God have mercy to Kiribati.